Hi, my name is Ankur and I am here to present the Dynamics Politics Server implementation for the real-time systems course in LLM IT.
Hi, my name is Monica Agrawal. A real-time system consists of both periodic and aperiodic tasks. Periodic tasks have regular arrival time and hard deadlines, while aperiodic tasks have irregular arrival times and either soft or hard deadlines. However, many real-time control applications require both type of processes. So, the dynamic sporadic server is a aperiodic service strategy proposed by Spuri and Butazzo to support mixture of both the periodic and aperiodic tasks. It is characterized by a period Ts and a capacity Cs, which used to service the aperiodic request and has a dynamic priority assigned through a suitable deadline. The rules for deadline assignment and capacity replenishments are as follows. At t equal to 0, the capacity Cs of the server is initialized at its full value. The next replenishment time and the server deadline is calculated as soon as an aperiodic request enter or pending and Cs greater than 0 and if Ta is such a time, then replenishment time equal to Ta plus Ts, the current time plus the server time period. The replenishment amount is computed when the last aperiodic request is completed or Cs has been exhausted. If Ti is such a time, then the replenishment amount is set to capacity consumed within the interval Ta to Ti. Now, we have given a schedulability theorem by Spuri and Butazzo. Given a set of n periodic tasks with processor utilization UP and a sporadic server with utilization US, the whole system is schedulable if and only if UP plus US is less than equal to 1. Now, I would like to invite Ankur to give you a demo of the dynamic sporadic server.
Hi, so as you can see, this program is running and actually this is a recorded video of the program in my Linux system. So in this I will go back and show you that I have added this schedule, that is the number of periodic requests is 2, number of aperiodic requests are 4, the server budget is 3 and the server time period Ts is 6 and other parameters. So now using the Allegro library I have drawn the required number of periodic schedule lines and the aperiodic request lines along with the server budget. The server budget is 3. So now you can see that the periodic task 1 has executed for 2 units as it was needed in the 2 units computation time only, and the periodic task 2 requires 3 units of computation time and its time period is 12. But an aperiodic task has arrived at t equals to 3, and because the deadline for this aperiodic task is calculated to be 9, because 3 plus the time period of the server, that is 6, 3 plus 6 is 9, which is less than the time period for the deadline for aperiodic task 2, that is 12. So we will also see that at time unit 9 the budget used will be given back to the server. So these green lines specify that this is the arrival time of the aperiodic request, and this black line signify the time period or deadline for the periodic request. See, as I was telling you, the budget has been replenished here. On the left hand side we are seeing that at time t equal to 0, type of request is t means periodic and the number, that is 1, that is this one, and at that time the budget is 3. Similarly, at time say t equals to 14, type aperiodic request and the third aperiodic request is being executed, and at that time budget is 2. So now we will do testing for an unschedulable case. Meanwhile, I would like to tell you that for the implementation, I have used priority queue and use the comparison function to compare the deadlines and then make the queue in that sense. Also, I have used a vector or a queue to store the replenishment amount and the replenishment time so that they can be restored. Like I was telling in the example that at 9 time t equals to 9, it has to be replenished back. The budget has to be replenished. So now in the other test case, these are the parameters. You can just take a look on them, and now as you can see, as the number of priority tasks but there 3 in there, accordingly using Allegro I have drawn 3 periodic schedule lines and one for the server and one for the periodic request. We have implemented it in such a way that as soon as there is a deadline miss, it will not show the schedule of anything and the system will halt. So, and you will also see a dmiss message here. Yeah, we had a deadline miss. So that's it. Thank you.